Hello friends, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Our lesson today is about the text spacing. And before we start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, like this video and share the video with your friends. And let's start our lesson. First, if I have an element here and I have a sentence inside it, for example, welcome to my channel. If I have this sentence here, let's go to the CSS. Text spacing, you will use it when you want to make a spacing between the words and between the letters. And we have the word spacing and we have the letter spacing. And first, let's call our element. Our element is the paragraph. And then let's write the word spacing. Word spacing, here is it. So you will determine it by pixels. For example, let's make 10 pixels. How see it make spacing between the words only. And we have the letter spacing. Letter spacing, let's make it 10 pixels. How see it make the spacing between the letters in the words. So this is the difference between the word spacing and the letter spacing, and this is how the text spacing works. And I think this is the easy lesson, and it's easy to learn it and also easy to apply it. And I think here we finished our lesson, and I hope every information is clear. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, like this video and share the video with your friends. And thank you so much for listening.